Hello guys, welcome back to Handmade by Adiepena. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make a one-step earring with just 2 pearls. I made this earring for a necklace I made in my last video. So if you've not watched it yet, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out. So I have with me my earring stand, which is not really compulsory for you to get if you are learning for yourself. I'm using 2 pearls and you can use any bead of your choice. I'm using 2 earring sticks and then 2 earring hangers. I'm going to work with 1 earring at a time. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put the earring stick in the pearl. But as you can see, the stick is quite long, so I'm going to cut about half of the earring stick off with a cutter. So when I'm through with that, I'm going to take the earring stick from the bead. And then I'm going to measure the other earring stick because I'm going to need 2 for the earrings. And then I'm going to measure it and cut off the excess. And then I'm going to set it aside and work with 1 of them. Next, I'm going to put the stick back into the bead. And the next tool to use is the round nose plier, but the earring stick is still long, so I'm going to cut a little bit off with a cutter. And then I'm going to use the plier to curl the earring stick towards me to get something round but looks like a hook. Yeah, to make a hook. And then I'm going to put the earring hanger into the hook. After I've put the hanger into the hook, I'm going to use the round nose plier to curl the hook back into the bead. That very hole in the pearl. Yes. So that there is no more space for the hanger to come out of the hook. So yeah, it's pretty simple. And that is it. Yeah. So for the sake of clarity, I'm going to repeat the same thing with the other earring, and I hope you get it this time around. Okay, so let's repeat the steps. The first thing you need to do is to put the earring stick into the bead. And if you realize it's still too long, just take your cutter and cut off the excess. And then take your round nose plier and curl the earring stick towards you to make a hook. After that, just put in your earring hanger. And the last step is to curl the earring stick back into the bead, that's hole in the bead. And as I said, this is to prevent the hanger from coming out. And yeah, you've made your one-step earring. This is pretty simple. You can add 2 beads to the earring stick, any color of your choice, that depends on you. So guys, this is the end of our earring tutorial today. Thank you very much for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave a link to my other videos, so make sure you check it out, okay? Try this and leave a comment in the comment down below. Until we meet in my next video, take care and bye-bye.